Guys, portable Bluetooth speakers are everywhere now, but the problem is quite a lot of them either sound a bit thin, look like a toy, or promise a party level bass and then gives you something that sounds like it's trapped in a biscuit tin. Well, today we're taking a look at this portable wireless Bluetooth speaker, which is from Koyok. It has a 25 watt dual speaker setup, RGB lighting, an LED battery display, IPX water resistance, and up to 25 hours of playback. So if you're after something for the garden, traveling, parties, or just moving music around the house without dragging cables everywhere, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, today we're taking a look at a portable wireless Bluetooth speaker that looks pretty impressive on paper. It's got Bluetooth 5.4. It's rated at 25 watts. It has colourful RGB lighting, a built-in LED display for battery levels, IPX water resistance, and claims up to 25 hours of playtime from a 4000 milliamp battery. Now, this is aimed at anyone who wants a speaker they can use indoors, outdoors, in the garden, maybe at a barbecue, while travelling, or even just around the house when they don't really want to rely on having a phone speaker, right? And let's be honest, that probably is most of us at some point. Now guys, before we get into it, Koyok did send this over for me to take a look at and to give you my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or different. So let's get it out of the box and see what we have. First off, guys, open up the box and we have some instructions. Then we have a couple of cables. We've got a 3.5 to 3.5 mil cable for connecting to a wired source. Not my cup of tea, but you know what? People still like wires. Then we have a USB-A to USB-C cable to charge it. And lastly, guys, the main event, we've got the S18-2 speaker itself. Now, first impressions is this looks like a rugged portable speaker. Now, it's not trying to be a tiny little speaker, but it's not massive either. It's more of a just throw it in your bag or put it on the table, take it outside sort of speaker. You've got speaker grill on the front. You've got controls. Look, you've got LEDs. You've got all of that kind of stuff, which, you know what, makes it more of a party speaker. You've also got these. You can tell there's a lot of bass here because these are like reflex, right? So the air pushes these out to give it more bass. But anyway, that might be getting a bit too technical because really speakers are about how they sound. But before we get to the sound, RGB lighting, yeah, you know what, can be a bit hit or miss, but you know what, sometimes it looks good. And you know what, it gives it like a bit more of a gaming or party kind of look. But you know what, I do kind of like it. And if you're outside and it's in the evening or a bit more of a social setting, yeah, it's kind of nice. Now, yes, that sound. Well, this speaker has got 25 watts of power and it's delivered through dual speakers. So straight away, you're going to expect this to have a little bit of presence. And that's important because with portable speakers, volume is only part of the story. You don't just want loud, right? You don't just want to have boom, right? You want to have something that's listenable when you turn it up. I don't even know if listenable is a word, but you know, something that you can listen to and it's pleasing to listen to. And I've got to say, this little guy does not disappoint. Deep bass, clear stereo sound, which it sounds like it is. It's coming out of two speakers, and you get a kind of immersive 360 style listening experience, which makes it quite a nice bit of kit. That, considering it's not massive, like it's about 8 inches tall, give or take, but that's like a man's 8 inches. So yeah, about 8 inches tall. And you know what? Just remember, with any portable speaker, keep expectations real on what that bass actually means, because what matters more is whether it sounds full and balanced rather than just loud and boomy. And I think this is the first one. It's definitely nice and balanced. Now, The Bluetooth side is also worth mentioning. This uses Bluetooth 5.4, which should give you a stable connection and a decent range, depending of course on walls, interference and how far away you wander off with your phone. There's also TWS pairing, which means if you've got two of these, you can pair them together for a wider stereo setup, which is also pretty nice. And if you want a bigger soundstage for a party, garden setup, or for filling a larger room, adding another one of these is definitely going to be a good move. Another thing I like is the LED battery display. That might sound like a small thing, but actually I think it's really useful. A lot of Bluetooth speakers just give you a vague beep or a tiny light that basically says good luck guessing. Here you can see the battery level properly, which is handy if you're taking it out for the day or using it somewhere you don't want it dying halfway through. Also guys, the battery in this bad boy should give you around 25 hours with a 4000 milliamp battery. As always, real world battery life will depend on how loud you play it, whether the lights are on and what you're listening to. If you're blasting it at full volume with the RGB lights going, don't expect miracles, but for general listening, that's a decent runtime. It also charges by USB-C, which is good. At this point, if a product turns up using the old micro USB cable, you know what? I think we need to have a quiet word with it. Also, guys, this speaker is rated IPX7 water resistance. That means it's designed to handle water exposure much better than a basic indoor speaker. So for the garden, poolside, camping, beach trips, or just the classic British barbecue where the weather suddenly changes and you know what, it rains, right? But right now actually in the UK where I am, we are actually having a bit of a heat wave, so everyone's complaining and everybody's begging for some rain, but that doesn't mean we're going to get it. Now, the other thing is this speaker includes hands-free calling, so you can use the built-in microphone for calls. Personally, I don't buy a speaker for taking phone calls, but you know what? It's handy if your phone is nearby and a call comes in while you're listening to music. Or maybe not, depending on the caller. I mean, you don't really want somebody coming in trying to sell you mis-sold car finance when you're tucking into your burger, right? Anyway, guys, there you have it. This portable speaker is clearly aimed at people who want something with a bit more power and personality than a basic mini speaker. You've got that dual speaker setup, you've got Bluetooth 5.4, you've got TWS pairing, RGB lights, LED battery display, IPX7 water resistance, USB-C charging, and a claimed 25-hour battery life. I mean, it doesn't really get any better than that. These things I definitely like. And right now, guys, at the point of this video, you can actually pick this up for £19.99. I think it's normally like about £29.99, but check it out. I'll leave any links and any discount codes in the description. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up and give it a like. These things really do matter. And if you've got any questions, then please leave them in the comments section below. Also, guys, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of all new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Koyok for sending me this cool portable Bluetooth speaker to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I'll see you the next time. Bye for now.